What's up, folks? We are playing some Sons of the Forest today. I played this game a while back, never got really too into it, but for some reason I've been itching to get back to this game, and we're gonna send it. Tonight's drink is Happy Dad Hard Seltzer Watermelon, so let's go ahead and crack that real quick. And let's get into it. We are going to start a new game. Honestly, normal, peaceful, no enemies in the world. That's not going to be fun. Hard, stronger enemies, tougher survival. Stronger enemies, rough survival. Let's just go normal. Honestly, these Happy Dad drinks are pretty good. I'm not a huge beer guy, but I mean, I do love some beer, but I've been rocking with these seltzers lately. And we're gonna throw in a little Zen Chino too. Zen Cool Mint 3%. Stay away from nicotine, kids. Not good for you. Alright. Sons of the Forest. Like I said, I played this a while back. Just didn't really have the time to get into it. But we are going to send it, see what happens. I completely forgot how to play this game. So, let's see. It's taking a while to load. Alright, we'll be back once it loads up. So, this can't be good. Weeks missing, 31. Edward Puffton. Yeah, probably not. Barbara Puffton. Virginia Puffton. Damn. Fight demons. Oh shit. This ain't good. What kind of MRE is that? Is that Chili Mac MRE? Chicken Chipotle? Oh, what is that? It said, what kind of MRE is that? If any of you guys ever served, you know that Chili Mac was the GOAT MRE. 100%. Come on, kick that. Also like the chicken chipotle bowl one as well. Alright, so this isn't good.
Now, who invited you here?
Alright. So, let's get to it. We're gonna have to survive with all these mutant monsters. Emergency open case. Alright, let's check the suitcases first. Is this dude alive? What is he doing? Oh my. What the. Kevin, what's wrong with you? Or Kelvin. Oh, who the hell is that standing in the back? Okay. I completely forgot about all this. Kelvin, I want you to follow me. Yeah, follow me. Alright? You're gonna follow me, you're gonna help me out. We're gonna survive together. Alright. Let's check these suitcases. Got some, looks like pain pills. Flares. Those might come in handy. Oh, did not mean to throw that, but whatever. Alright. A tarp. How the I don't want to keep... No, I don't want to keep throwing these. Alright, this is off to a bad start. Alright. I do not want to keep throwing these. Is that a grenade? Add items to the mat to open or combine an item. Alright. Let's get the knife out. Alright, that's a good start. Let's get the knife out. Batteries, duct tape. Kelvin, what are you doing? I need you to go through these suitcases, man. Alright. Open emergency pack located in your inventory. Alright. Open, right click. Click the gear to open the emergency pack. Alright, so we got a self GPS tracker, a tactical axe. Let's equip that. Let's go back to my inventory. Got a knife, a lighter, one flare because for some reason we threw all the other ones. C4, batteries, 9mm ammo, a guidebook, some meds, energy drink, a vodka bottle, and a grenade. Alright. Stick collected, alright. Dude, if I remember correctly, you land in different places. Everybody lands in different places, but I'm not sure about that. Because I remember way back when this first game came out, I feel like I landed in the forest somewhere. What is going on with our new crafting? There's a guide. Open the guide. Alright. A tent. A stick and a tarp. Okay. A rock. A rock. Rock. Thing is, where do I want to set up my base? Because I don't know if I really. We have a water source right here, but it's. Oh, what is that? That's smoke in the distance. All right. Kelvin, man, I need you to step it up. Another rock. All right. Alright, we got some logs. Thing is like I don't know if I want to make my base right here, you know? Alright. Calvin, can you go get some freaking... Go get some... Yeah, build me a fire. Actually, build me a shelter. Build a shelter. Alright? I need you to build a shelter. Get to work. Alright, you got a tarp. Cool, thanks man. Alright, now... Build a fire. Let's make a little temporary structure here. Bro, that's gonna catch on fire, dude. Bro, you just sitting there taking a break. We gotta build, brother. I feel like I'm at a loss right now. Alright, let's yeah, lean to shelter. Alright. Where did my axe go? I guess we're just gonna try to build a little defense area here. You know, just kind of somewhat of a wall to keep things out for tonight. Because I know these monsters are lurking in the woods. Nope, that's not where I wanted that. That's not where I wanted that either. Alright. We're not really off to a good start. Alright. I'm gonna make a door here. This is terrible. But whatever keeps them out, I guess. I see a fire in the distance over here. Let's go check that out. That's not good. Alright, it's too damn hot.